So let's first look at indoor bonsai. The most popular tree species is the ficus, as it is incredibly strong and looks great. It does need lots of light, so make sure to place it right in front of a south-facing window. Another indoor option is the jade, which also needs a lot of light, but not as much water as the ficus. It can even survive short periods of drought, which is unique to bonsai, as most tree species die immediately if they dry out. Some other tree species that can be kept indoors include the Fukian tea or Komona, the Hawaiian umbrella and the sweet plum. Check the video description below for a link to the indoor bonsai care video to make sure you keep your indoor bonsai healthy. Now let's investigate some popular outdoor tree species. With outdoor bonsai, your options are far greater. The following tree species do well in most climates, but check our website for more information on selecting tree species based on where you live. A safe option is selecting tree species that actually grow where you live. One very strong tree species that needs to be kept outdoors year-round is the juniper. This is a classic bonsai tree species, which loves lots of light. Another classic is the Japanese maple, with its beautiful leaves that turn yellow and orange in fall. You could also consider some other popular tree species, like the Chinese elm, azalea or pines. In the video notes below, you'll find a link to an article on our website that explains how to care for outdoor bonsai, also in winter. I hope these tips were useful and will help you pick the right tree species to start out with. Learn how to create your own bonsai trees by enrolling in one of our online bonsai courses. We explain techniques like pruning, wiring and repotting, and you can ask questions to the teachers. For the curriculums and free lessons, go to bonsaiempire.com/courses.